Have you ever felt like the LCD screen on your phone was on the wrong side? Like if it was on the back side here, you'd be able to use all of these cameras while having that selfie view. In this video, I'm going to show you how that's possible with this little device that I found on Amazon. So I've come across wanting this in a couple of different situations, and one of them was to be able to do a selfie video where you're just kind of walking and talking, but you want to have two people side by side. And the camera on this side just isn't wide enough for that. So you can't tell if you hold it the other way, you don't know if you're on camera or not, if you got the angle right. So you want to have something on the backside here to show you whether or not you are actually on camera, that is, you've got the framing right. Now, the other reason that I found recently that I wanted to do this was I wanted something to really like macro lens in while I was doing a selfie video. I wanted to be able to show something right in front of the camera and have that macro lens to kick in. And that's something that happens only on this side of the camera because it has these three lenses. Also, if you wanted to use the telephoto lens while having that selfie view, that would be possible using this device. So let me show it to you. Look at that. So it is showing you what is on the camera, what this camera is seeing of me. You can see it's a magnetic, so I can get it to be a little more straight there, but it's magnetic, connects to the backside of your camera. And now when we turn it around, you can see that it's actually seeing that camera. So this would be the selfie view on this side. So this is what it would look like. I'm seeing myself, you're seeing it, I'm seeing exactly what you're seeing. So it is great for being able to access those different features that are only available with that backside camera. And a couple of downfalls to it. One is it seems like when you turn off your phone, it disconnects this and you have to reconnect. So what you do is you're doing screen mirroring. It's really pretty easy to set up. You just go over to the control center, I guess, with the swipe down from the upper right on an iPhone. This will also work on an Android phone. And then choose screen mirroring. So then it chooses this. And so it's really simple to set up. Another thing that is not so great about it is the on-off switch seems to be backwards. So like up is off and down is on. It just seems a little bit backwards, but at least it's a switch. So it's not easy to accidentally like push a button and turn it off. The other thing is that you'll find yourself going to push because it looks like an iPhone screen. So I'm seeing the red record button here. And so you'll find yourself pushing the screen. Of course, it's not a touch screen. What's nice is it does come with a remote control. So once you pair this up with Bluetooth, so with the remote control, you can push it and you can see it started the recording without having to reach around to the other side and find that red button. You also don't need to have this on the back. You can have this pretty much anywhere. So I think probably within 10 feet or something like that. I think it's using a Bluetooth signal. So yeah, you've got a lot of options for flexibility for how you might want to use this. So like I said, this is going to be great for me for a lot of the filming that I do. Like I said, I'll do a side-by-side interview. That's probably the most important thing. Or those things where I want that macro, really close-up view of something. And you might find other uses for it. I can imagine if you're doing makeup or something like that, this can be really, really helpful. So there'll be a link down below if you want to purchase this on Amazon. And of course, that supports this channel. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope you find this helpful.